Hi, everyone, and welcome to our session. My name's Eddie Weill, and I'm accompanied by my colleague, Weill and Vandererf. And today we're going to talk about optimizing, deploying, and scaling a multitude of AI and video analytics applications. What we're actually going to talk about today, we're going to go through a brief hardware overview of the Jetson hardware, which is what we're going to use for the demos. And then I'm going to dive into TensorRT, which is how we optimize our deep learning models specifically for inference. And then talk a little bit about video analytics and building a video analytics pipeline with an SDK called DeepStream. And then I'm going to hand it off and let Ryan discuss SageMaker Neo and optimizing models on AWS, as well as AWS IoT Greengrass for deploying those models with DeepStream. So the Jetson family itself comprises a few different types of embedded devices. So we go anywhere from a device that runs as low as 5 watts all the way up to 30 watts. So the Jetson Nano is the smallest, most power efficient device, and goes anywhere from 5 to 10 watts and can provide up to half a teraflop of performance in FP16 precision mode. And then we step up from that to our TX2 series, and that's going to give you about 1.3 teraflops. And then we have our Xavier series, which is comprised of the Xavier NX and the Xavier AGX. And you can think of these as more embedded systems for larger scale autonomous machines, compared to something like a Jetson Nano, which is going to be more for a smaller robotics application or a smaller deep learning application.